Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this down channel and this descending triangle and this falling wedge pattern that we have already broken out on the 4-hour time frame chart. And recently, Bitcoin has broken down this support of this symmetrical triangle that I was showing you in my previous video as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this 30-minute chart that I was showing you in my last video. And here we had the formation of this symmetrical triangle. And you can see we had a fake out here and we had another breakout here where the price line formed a double top here. And after forming this double top, the price line moved more down and even broke down the support of this triangle. The target, by the way, that I was telling you after the breakout that we were expecting was here. That was approximately at $19,800, and you can see it rallied up to $19,000. Approximately $700. We could not hit this target and broke down the support of the triangle. Now here you can see it has found another down trend line resistance in this horizontal support that is coming all the way from here. And here we also have another formation of a descending triangle. There is a good thing on this chart because on this 30-minute chart we are testing the resistance more than the support, and the more we test the resistance, the more there are chances for the breakout. However, I will show you the target for the both sides, the upside and also to the downside. Let me show you first to the downside. After breaking down this triangle, we can expect a move to the $18,860. And our target to the upside can be here after the breakout. That will be approximately at $19,500. Now let me take you to the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see a few days back we broke out the resistance of this wedge and we retested the previous resistance, even support of the wedge as well. And I was telling you that at the same time we are having a bullish divergence because the stochastic oscillator was forming a higher low than previous low. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic at the same time was forming here a higher low than previous low, and the price line was forming lower than previous low. And here you can see stochastic was forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, I was telling you that due to this bullish divergence, we can expect a price reversal from here. But our target is here at the top of this wedge, that is $20,400, and so far the price line is not able to reach there. And here we also formed another double top here as well, and the price line is again moving down. And this support is very significant on the 4-hour time frame chart, that is at $18,853, and this is the recent swing low before breaking out this wedge. And so far you can see that the price line is not breaking down, even not testing the support as well. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see we have already broken out the resistance of the wedge, but rejected by this big down trend line resistance of this descending triangle. And now the price line is getting the movement of the price line is getting very squeezed within this descending triangle. So at any time we can expect a breakout or breakdown. And you can also observe that we also have this key support at $18,500, and for the past several days the price line is not breaking down this support as well. And this is also the support of the descending triangle as well. Now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then we are forming a huge double bottom within this huge down channel, and we are also testing a very significant support zone that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. And previously you can see this level has been breaking as a strong resistance and support zone here back in December 2020 and even back in December 2017 as well. Therefore, if the price line breaks down this level, then we can drop down to the next support that we have quite down from here. That will be approximately at $14,000 or $13,500 here. And I'm not expecting, by the way, after the formation of this big huge double bottom, I'm expecting that this double bottom can lead the price line to break out this resistance of the channel this time. And for example, once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, because at the same time we also need to break out this $19,500 resistance as well. Almost at the same level, we have both resistance levels, the downtrend line resistance of this channel and $19,500 as well. Then our next key resistance will be here at $28,600. That has been breaking as a very strong support after January 2021 till here May 2022. And by the way, the target, once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of the channel, will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.